2026 Honda Accord arrives with a fresh look and upgraded features that continue to push the boundaries of what a midsize sedan can offer. The exterior design is sleeker and more refined than ever, with sharp body lines, a bold front grille, and new LED lighting that gives it a confident, modern presence on the road. Inside, the Accord offers a spacious and sophisticated cabin designed with both comfort and technology in mind. High-quality materials, refined textures, and an intuitive layout create an upscale feel. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, now standard on most trims, and offers wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and access to Google built-in services like Google Maps and Assistant. Performance-wise, the 2026 Accord retains its well-balanced nature. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine has been fine-tuned for better efficiency and responsiveness, while the available 2.0-liter turbocharged engine brings more power for drivers who want extra punch. The hybrid model has been improved as well, offering better fuel economy and smoother transitions between electric and gas power. Ride quality is another area where the Accord continues to shine. Engineers have updated the suspension and chassis tuning, resulting in a smoother, quieter, and more composed ride. Whether you're on a long highway cruise or navigating city streets, the Accord feels stable, confident, and surprisingly sporty when pushed. Honda's commitment to safety remains strong. The 2026 model includes the updated Honda Sensing 360 suite, which adds even more advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and a new blind spot steering assist that helps prevent potential collisions. In terms of tech, the Accord now features an available 12-speaker Bose premium sound system, customizable digital driver display, and over-the-air software updates. Voice control is smarter and faster thanks to integrated Google Assistant, and USB-C ports are now standard in both rows for fast device charging. Rear seat comfort is excellent, with generous legroom and wide-opening doors for easy access. Materials. In the back are just as refined as those up front, and higher trims offer rear heated seats and dual-zone climate controls, making long trips more enjoyable for passengers. Cargo space remains among the best in class, with a wide trunk opening and deep floor that can easily accommodate luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. The rear seats fold down flat to create even more usable space for bulkier items. Customization is also a strong point this year, with new exterior color options and interior trim combinations. Honda offers a wide range of accessories, from blacked-out trim kits to roof racks and all-weather floor mats, allowing buyers to personalize their Accord to suit their lifestyle. Starting at just under $29,000, the 2026 Honda Accord delivers exceptional value for the features it offers. With its upgraded design, impressive technology, strong safety features, and reliable performance, it remains one of the top choices for anyone looking for a practical yet stylish midsize sedan.